Kabatak, so today I will show you how to register in Western Union Money Transfer through online. So first we'll go to Google, then you will search here. So it's already there, then we'll search this, then register. After that, get started. Oh, this connection is not good. Email address. So just put your email